How to save data in Snapchat. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat, and once you do that, you want to click on the Bitmoji or avatar at the top left. Then click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're here, you need to scroll down to the privacy control section, and from there click on data saver, and you will land on this page right here, from which you will be able to turn on the data saver by clicking on the box next to it, and you will get this confirmation box that asks you, are you sure you want to enable data saver? And it tells you to select how long you would like data saver to be enabled, so choose whatever period suits you the best. And once you do that, the data saver will be enabled. But keep in mind that Snapchat tells you that this feature will reduces the mobile data usage, and you'll need to manually load content like lenses and snaps, and they may take longer to view, so keep that in mind. So that was it for this video. That's how you can use less data on Snapchat. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.